Well, just have a little update here. I know I've done the station area, and we've been working on the bottom level, which is here. On the bottom station, and since then we've done a little bit more on the town scene and the garage area. And on the garage area, my son Jamie put lights in the garage. So if I put this switch on, so now he's got his own garage, and it'll be flashing up Jay's Autos. Just have them on a separate switch so they can put them on. And got the Falla Road completed, and another little cameo here. It's some roadworks, and again if I put the switch on, got the cones lighting up, and a little digger. There's a 45 coming through on the upper level. And then we've been doing some work on the lower level on this side. Signal box on there. And learning how to do grasses and how to go to a little riverbed there. And I've got some of these Dapple semaphore signals that they work, but I bought these infrared sensors, but I haven't got them fitted yet. We even got some wildlife. I'll put the old level crossing system in. I'll switch that on in a second. This is still work ongoing. Road, plaster, grass, I haven't got it done yet. Bottom station. Yeah, it's coming along. Another couple of little features. Wagon on its way there. We've got some street lights going as well. I don't know if you can see them, but I'll put them all around. Another Dapple semaphore. Now we'll get it wired up. 25 running by with some. I've done a bit of work on this area. I've got some steps going up and a bus stop. The Falla system will run round there, and I'll get the traffic lights working and that. There's another little switch for when the kids come round, a little fountain. Oh, nice little thing, eh? Made by, I think it was Beastman make them. And then another switch here, wind turbine, which is another German gives it some of it. That's why I put the switches separate. so only visitors can come and have a good play. Yeah. 31. I still have quite a bit to do, but it's coming on. Got some more lights right up over there at this area. Again, barriers, I've got an on and off switch so they can just adds a little extra. Little lights in the tunnel. I've got the little, you can't see them, the little street lights lit up. They're from China, these little street lights. You get like 10 for £7 instead of paying £5 or £6 each in this country. You don't mind waiting 2 or 3 weeks. It's an old army signal box. I added a couple of bridges here, they weren't there last time. Ah well, still enjoying doing it. Just don't seem to have the time to do updates. That's the tightest curve on the layout. In fact, there isn't one straight on this layout at all. Everything has got a curve in it or a bend. Oh, head on. Right. I'll have to phone 999, got a problem. Anyways, thanks for looking.